Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to warmly welcome you in this special training of Microsoft Excel for beginners. And please try to watch all of my videos in sequence so that you can get a clear understanding of everything. इस वीडियो में हम एक्सेल के कुछ ऑप्शंस को और मेन्यूज़ को स्टडी करेंगे बिकॉज़ जब तक आप इन चीज़ों को की ना हो नहीं लोगे तब तक आपकी लर्निंग एंड वर्किंग दोनों ही स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकेंगी। इन सब बॉक्सेस को एक्सेल की लैंग्वेज में हम सेल्स कहते हैं एंड दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट वर्कशीट। जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया था कि एक्सेल की पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट को हम वर्कबुक बोलते हैं एंड विद इन दिस बुक वी हैव डिफरेंट शीट्स called worksheets. You can add new sheet by this plus icon and you can also edit the sheet name by double clicking on it. Okay, these are all the rows and these are all columns. This is known as formula bar and this is the address of the active cell. Clear? This all area is known as ribbon. इस सारे एरिया को हम रिबन बोलते हैं जिसमें हमारे पास डिफरेंट टैब्स होते हैं। होम, इंसर्ट, पेज लेआउट, फार्मूलाज, these are all known as the main tabs and within these tabs we have multiple attractive icons and options. एक्सेल ने अट्रैक्टिव एंड फ्रेंडली इंटरफेस बनाया है हमारे लिए ताकि हम क्लियरली आइकन्स के थ्रू ही अंडरस्टैंड कर जाएं उस ऑप्शन की फंक्शनैलिटी को। Each tab has collection of groups like font, alignment group, number group, styles group and all this. If you want to change the text style, font, color and background color, you can just go there. Okay. And if you want to insert anything into your document into your sheet, you can just go to the insert tab and can insert different types of material like table, charts, maps and many more. And notice one thing, when you go to any option, Excel will show you a pop-up tip. This is a very interesting feature of Excel because you can get a lot of information about the option from it very easily. So read this carefully to get updates of the existing and new features information. I hope you are not getting bored because I am going to end this video within 2 or 3 minutes. So next is page layout tab. In this tab you can resize your paper according to your need. This is a complete group of page setup. You can just go there and resize or reset the paper setup. Okay, you can also set the margins from here. You can also hide or unhide the grid lines, okay, like this. Next is the formula tab. Here you have a lot of collections of basic and advanced formulas that you can use in your data to get various types of results from it. Okay, the next is data tab. In this tab we have a lot of groups to analyze our data. It is mostly used with a large collection of data where you can sort your data. Next is review tab. You can protect your document from this tab from an unauthorized access. Next is view tab. You can view your document in different formats from this tab, and if you have any confusion or any problem, you can just go to the help tab. Clear? The first one is file tab. From this you can open a new document, you can open an existing document, you can get the info of the author from here. You can save as your document here. You can print the document. A lot of options here for you, the account information and many more. Okay, so guys, this was the short lecture on Excel's menu. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any confusion, you just leave a comment in the video and I will be there for you. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thank you so much. Goodbye.